the quick selection tool, if you don't have it already selected, is grouped with the magic wand tool, and the object selection tool is this one. It's the one that looks like a paintbrush, okay? And the way we use this is by selecting new selection, which is this first option, okay? And then changing the size and the hardness. Most of the time I would suggest leaving the hardness at full. Size will just matter based on what you're selecting, okay? So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm using my bracket keys on my keyboard to make my brush bigger, but you can go up here and click and drag. Okay, so all you do is you click and drag your mouse. Oh, sorry, I switched options. Okay, and I'm also on the wrong layer. So first thing I'm going to do is just put that like that and bring this up. So just make sure you're on the right layer. You're going to click and drag your mouse, and you should see it select like that. Okay, then you're going to go to select inverse. This is going to flip your selection, and now you'll see a double selection. Okay, and then you press delete. Okay, now if you want, then you're going to find an image. So let's go on Google. I'm going to type in garden. So you'll look for an image on Google, something that looks like it could go behind that. You know what? I like this picture. Okay, so I'm going to take this picture, I'm going to drag it to my background like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take the picture, I'm going to put it into Photoshop. Okay, we're going to make it smaller so that it fits in the space we have. Move it underneath the flower. Okay, and then I'm going to transform the flower to be a little bit smaller so that it fits on the picture. If you find a background that fits perfectly behind the flower, you don't have to change the size of it, but I'm doing that just so that it looks a little bit better. Okay, now something I did that I didn't show you was, instead of just clicking and dragging the background like this, which I'm using my mouse for this, the other way you can do it is if you do command left bracket. Okay, the left bracket will bring things behind. If you do command and right bracket, it brings to the forward. Okay, the bracket key is located next to the letter P on your keyboard. After you're done with this, you just write, how do we inverse our selection? Okay, and then how did you add the background behind the flower? And that's what and then you're just going to save this assignment as activity 17A _ your name, and then you can submit it.